Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to select a country in Google Maps. So just tap on the Google Maps. In the top right corner you'll find a profile. Just click on your profile. Click on the tab settings. Here you'll find on the top as app language. Just click on it. Here you will find various languages that you want to select, and you can select the language that you want. And if you want to change the navigate system as well, just scroll down a little bit. Just click on the navigation systems. Just click on voice selection. Here you will find various languages, and you can select the language that you want. This is how you can select a country in Google Maps, whether in app language or in navigation settings as well. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section. Thank you. Hope you see you in the next video. Till then, take care.